So yeah, so the next thing that we have in here is stabilize. Stabilize, it basically what it does, if you have a moving object in the video, it basically, or you have the video is moving too much, there's too much movement and it's not stable, this allows you to make the video more stable. So if you, let's say you did, when it's outside, you recorded a video, you were walking, and obviously when you're walking you're not steady, so you're like moving a little bit up and down, and that will make the video unstable. So this will basically make the video more like stable, and that's why it's called stabilize basically. Next we have image enhance, which basically kind of enhances the quality of the image. So let's bring in here a image. For example, we have this right here, and as you can see, if we scroll down a bit, we can enable it, whereas if I was on a video, we're gonna have to, okay, well, I'll do this later. And so basically it's going to enhance the quality of the, image. Now the image is already at a great quality, we don't need to enhance anything here, but let's say you have a image that needs a little bit of an enhancement. They're going to ask for your permission to upload basically the image to their server for them to basically apply the effect to it and enhance the quality of the image. If you want to do so, you just click on allow, which is not a problem at all. So basically, and they going to take some time to process the image, and there you're going to pick which one you want, which is, you have HD or Ultra HD, which is, I think it's about 4K. This is 1080p. This one is about 4K or 2K, one of the two. I'm not quite sure. And then you have reduce image noise. So if you have a lot of noise in the image, you can click on this one. You have AI expand, which is like the Photoshop fill-in tool. So basically, let's say you want to expand the image, click on allow, and you can do which aspect ratio you want. Okay, but it didn't expand at all. So let's go with this, I guess. So this is trying expand, and you click on edit expand, and there you can scale it up a little bit, or like you just position it where you want. You can add it a prompt, and okay, boom boom boom, let's say expand image, as you can see, and then click on generate. Okay, it's gonna take some time to do so, and as you can see, it's expanding. You gotta wait some time. So as they say here, it's 7 seconds, or well, let's say it's going pretty fast. So let's see the outcome, and there you go, it did expand it. To be honest with you, this is a good stuff. All right, they're kind of adding Photoshop to this, or it is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So then you can click on apply, and pick which one you like the most, so how it looks. Okay, and then you click apply. Now I'm just gonna click on confirm, and it's going to become how we want it to be. Well, it didn't happen for some reason. I don't know why it didn't work. Quite bizarre. Let me see here. Expand crop tree. All right. Well, something is not. It's not happening. By the way, this is probably only on the latest version, because this is maybe the second time or something like that I see it. And here you have relight. Basically, it's like an effect that you can add to the image on top, which basically you kind of add colors on top of it basically. So you have so many colors here. This is something I don't use too often actually. So there are some things that you're not gonna going to be using every single thing that I'm showing you here. This is just to know what you have. Maybe you will need this in some video and you might want to do this, but in most cases you're not going to be using every single thing. Okay, same thing with shortcuts. You're not going to be using every single shortcuts I did. Well, the ones I did show you, those are the main ones you're going to be using. There could be some other shortcuts that I didn't share, and it's mainly because you're probably not going to be using them anyway. So moving on, so as I said, they are here, so let's click on this one just for the sake of example, see what's gonna look like. Basically, they're gonna add these lights on top of the image, and gonna look more blue and red kind of thing. And you have other presets that you can play with and stuff like that. So it's downloading, and let's say click on this, and there you go, boom, and this is what it looks like. And you can scroll down here and you can play with the intensity, the radius, and the distance. Okay, but as for now I don't need this, and yeah.